Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 6. Simon wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Here the given is diameter of the circular table. It is given diameter diameter of circular table of circular table of circular diameter of circular table diameter of circular table is equal to 1.5 meter 1.5 meter. Therefore radius 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 of the circular table radius of the circular table radius of the circular radius of the circular table is equal to 1.5 1.1.5 by 2 1.5 by 2 meter, right? Diameter of the circular table is equal to 1.5 meter. Therefore radius of the circular table is 1.5 by 2 meter, right? Now circumference of the circular table cover circumference 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 of circumference of circumference of circular table cover circumference of circular table cover is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into pi into r, right? Here we can find that is 2. The value up to pi you have to take 3.14, that is 3.14 into radius is 1.5 by 2. This is in meter, this is circumference, therefore this will be in meter, or these two will be cut, these two and these two. Now if you multiply this 3.14 with 1.5, if you multiply, then you are getting 3.14 and 1.5. 5 for 22, it is 0. 5 1 5 plus 2 is 7, and 5 3 is 15. 4 is 4, 1 is 1, 3 1 is 3. It will be 0. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. And here 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4.71. Therefore, it will be 4.71 meter. 4.71 meter. Right? Now, I have to find 4. Therefore, what is the find the length of the lace required? Therefore, the length of the lace required is the length of the lace required is equal to 4.71 meter. 4.71 meter. This is the answer. Another question is, find its cost if 1 meter of lace cost rupees 15. Now now cost of 1 meter cost of 1 meter of lace is equal to rupees 15, rupees 15, right? Therefore, cost of 4.71 meter of lace is equal to rupees 15 into 4.71 is equal to rupees 15 into 4.71, 4.71. If we multiply this one, you will get 4.71 into 15, 1, 5. That is 5 on 5. 5 is 35, 3, it is 5. 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. 1, 7, 4, that is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Point is 70.65. 70.65. Therefore, is equal to rupees 70.65. 70.65. Right? So we can say the cost of 7.1 meter lace is 70.65. Hence, the cost of 4.71 meter of lace is equal to rupees 70.65. 70.65. This is another answer number 2. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.